What's going on, everybody? So just wanted to take a couple minutes to point something out for you guys because I know a lot of you don't understand how this works either. So just because a company claims they've been in business for more than 10 years doesn't mean they've been in business that long. Maybe they have, but you gotta think about this. They have 3 failed businesses already, so why would you listen to them? All right, so this is about credit monitoring. If you have credit monitoring and one of the 3 bureaus is not reporting, whether it be Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, in this example, we're going to say Equifax, it's an error on the bureau side. The way you fix it is you call the credit monitoring service and you verify your identity. Sometimes it's something as simple as a middle name's misspelled. I literally had this happen to a new client that signed up yesterday. Literally just happened. But I want y'all to watch this clip of our favorite scammer because I just love exposing him. I'm going to be honest, because everybody deserves to know the truth about how all this stuff works. He just babbles about stuff that he thinks that you don't know about, and you probably don't. And also in that video, the reason it says he got over 200 deletions is because Equifax is not reporting. So the way the CRMs work is if it's not reporting, all those items are going to show as deleted, especially when you're using CRC. So let's just watch this quick clip and tell me what y'all think.
This is my client Joshua. He's been a client of mine since 2022 to 2024. Unfortunately, due to technical difficulties, we're only able to import 4 months into CRC. These are the 4 months: 586, 624, 624, and 630. And when I said technical difficulties, I meant technical difficulties. Look what Equifax is completely locked, and not even Equifax can tell you why. But that's another story to tell you later. I want you to look at the bottom of the screen here. We were able to remove over 200 negative items in those 4 months alone. Look at his score. And this is a 42-minute phone call that I had with Josh. And guess what? Josh is super stoked and happy of our service. So if anyone's calling us a scam out here, it's not based upon anything, and they're probably just a competitor that's jealous. Scammers lie and haters talk trash, but credit scores and deletions don't lie. You saw the reports. That's the phone call. Are you still denying the truth? You're delusional. If you're the GOAT, I'm the motherfucking shepherd.
So, as you can see, he has no idea how credit repair works, how credit monitoring works, how to fix these issues, or anything like that. Now again, this is not me trying to convince you to sign up with me. You have the right to sign up with any company you want to. In fact, I want you to sign up with whatever company that you want to, that you feel safe signing up with, and that you feel like you can trust with your credit report and fixing your file. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.